How many of you out there are ready to retire or retired or thinking about retiring? I'm right at that age where I'm not retired yet, but I'm getting there. I've been thinking about it. I'm thinking, okay, so what do I do when I retire? Am I going to have enough money to retire? Because the way life is going, it's getting crazy expensive, especially in California. So, what I've been thinking is that everybody says, okay, so when you retire, you take it easy, you relax because you've worked so many years. I don't want that life. I don't want to live a small little retired life. I want to build a big, bold one. And I'll tell you what, I'm going to do that with YouTube. So I don't know about you guys, how many out there are wanting to join me with that? So they say retirement is the end because that's when it's the end of your work career. And then what? Sit and watch TV all day and eat bonbons? I don't think so. Or just hang out with your friends and play gin rummy or what have you. I am not that kind of person. I am still young. I am still vivacious. And I can still do so much. I cannot imagine myself retiring and doing nothing. So what I say, it's the beginning of a bold new life. And I don't want a small retired life. I want a big, exciting one where I can wake up every day with purpose and freedom and income, doing what I love or what I don't love, just doing nothing. And guess what? YouTube is the bridge to that life. Hey, if you're ready to shake up your second act, you're lucky that this video found you because you didn't find it. And it found you for a reason. So I share weekly videos and help people over 50, 60, 70, 80 build exciting lives and online income streams with YouTube, digital products, and mindset shifts that change everything. I'm just at the beginning of my journey, but I would love it if you can come and share that with me. And I will succeed at this because my goal is to retire big, bold, and having the time of my life. I am rebuilding my life from scratch. Did you notice I didn't say I'm trying? I said I am rebuilding my life from scratch. The universe is always listening. So be careful what you say. I don't want to just survive retirement when I get there. That's why I'm designing a new exciting chapter right now. I'm going to show you how I'm using YouTube and a few smart strategies to create purpose, passion, and profit at 60 plus. Yes, 60 plus, and how you can too. So they told us to play small, to shrink our dreams, to settle down. But here's the truth. You didn't come this far to just come this far. Because I know I came this far to go way further out there. It's the beginning of our second masterpiece. This is our chapter 2. So let me give you a little bit of what small retirement looks like and what maybe big retirement looks like. So small life, maybe you're getting $2,000 a month from your Social Security check. Same routine daily, you get up, you go for a walk, you see your friends, watch TV. A big retired life is $2,000 a month from your Social Security check and possibly another $1,000, $1,500 a month from YouTube and digital products. And you're living abroad because that's my goal. Like I've said so many times before, my goal is to go back to Greece and you're building a legacy. Which one sounds better for you? The small retired life or the big retired life? So let's just say, what is our big retired life? It's travel. We live abroad for less. Now, of course, everybody's not going to go live abroad. That's just crazy. But even if you stayed where you are, can you imagine how much different it would be if you had a purpose to get up to every morning? A purpose to learn something new every day. For example, starting a YouTube channel because it's given me new life. Learn how to edit, learning new storytelling skills, have some passive income where you don't have to worry, what if Social Security stops? Which, of course, I've been hearing that since I was a kid, but You never know. Things are just getting so expensive. So why not have that little safety net? Not only that, you can find new communities on the internet, on YouTube, like I'm trying to build a community with you, and you can share things and inspire with your content and share knowledge that you already have. So why not share it with somebody else that needs to hear it? And to start a YouTube channel, you could build an income and you can have an impact on somebody. There's people out there that want to hear what you have to say. They need to hear what you have to say. The best way to predict your future is to create it. And we create it starting right now. And here's the game changer. YouTube is not just a hobby. It's a digital business card. It's an income engine and a legacy platform all in one. And why YouTube? Because first of all, it's low cost to start. All you need is pretty much your phone, which I'm sure everybody has. Otherwise, you wouldn't be watching right now. And your Wi-Fi. It will create passive income. Your videos will keep earning even while you sleep once you get it going. And you build a community. Your story inspires people that are retirement age or getting ready to retire and are thinking, what do I do next? And it gives you multiple sources of income. How wonderful would that be? Now, I am not saying this is going to happen overnight. Nothing does that we try to build. But once you stay consistent, once you keep at it and you keep learning, and every day we learn a little bit more how to edit, a little bit more how to research, a little bit more how to use our camera, we get a little more comfortable. If we stay with it, it will happen. But it gives us the purpose right now to do it. So here are some real income possibilities that YouTube can give us. Once you get monetized, if that is your goal, you can make AdSense, which is they pay you per views. So let's just say you get 10,000 views per month at $5 per 1,000 views. That's $50. That's $50 you weren't going to have. So why not? Let's just say you start affiliate marketing, which is promoting products for other people and they give you a cut because you are advertising their product that they don't have to pay other advertisers. You promote products you use and you make 20 sales a month. And say you make $25 per sale. That's $500. Making 25 sales a month is not that much. Now, the $500, that adds up. And say you have one digital product out there. Maybe you have an ebook. Maybe you have a guide. Maybe you have a cookbook. Maybe you have a planner. Whatever your niche is. Say you sell 100 of those times $10. Say you sell them for $10. That's another $1,000 a month. Now, say you have coaching or you do workshops and you have 5 clients and you charge each client $100. That's another $500 a month. So your total monthly potential at minimum would be another $2,050 from your living room. From your living room in your 60s. That's unimaginable. That used to be non-existent, and yet now we can make that much money from our living room. As you see, I am sitting in my home making this video. So YouTube isn't just about going viral. It's about going valuable. Will all of this happen overnight? Absolutely not. It will take work and patience and learning new skills. But what doesn't? Everything does. It's even going to take effort if we retire and we do nothing, because it's a whole different life from what we're used to as working. What's the alternative? Doing nothing? Having no purpose? Watching TV all day and going to dinner with your friends once in a while? Oh, no thank you. That's not for me. Is that for you? Let me know in the comments below. Is that for you? Because I really want something else out of my life. So here's exactly how I'm going to build my bold retired life with YouTube at the center of it. First of all, we need mindset reset. I'm not retired, I'm repurposed. I like that. I'm not retired, I'm repurposed. So we need a simple setup, your iPhone, maybe a tripod, a ring light. I'm sitting in front of a window and I have natural light. Now, we have to have a content plan. We have to share our journey, our reinvention, our travel, our mindset. And we also have to try to monetize early with affiliate links, digital products, and coaching. So here's a tip. Start with one niche that lights you up. It motivates you. Motivation, life after 50, starting over, travel, side hustles, all of this right now is lighting me up. I love it. I love talking about motivation. I love talking about mindset. So here's what I want you to do. Write down your dream. Big life after 60 or 50 or 80. I don't care. Write down your dream. Audit your skills. What could you teach or share? Watch 3 YouTube video tutorials on starting a channel. Film your first video and don't worry about being perfect. Just hit record because nobody's perfect. You're going to mess up. Zig Ziglar said, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. So that's profound in itself. I'm 61 years old. I'm starting over. And I'm using YouTube to rebuild not just my income, but purpose, confidence, and community. You don't need to be famous. You just need to be real. You need to be consistent. And you need to be brave enough to begin. Let's live bold, not boring. Let's build income, not just memories. Let's make retirement the most exciting part of our life. If this video gave you even one idea or 1 ounce of inspiration, hit that like and subscribe button. I've got weekly videos coming up to help you reinvent your life after 50, 60, 70, 80, doesn't matter how old, and use YouTube to do it. Comment below what your channel would be about if you decided to start one, which I hope you do. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.